Good morning guys, welcome to the first spot, and we're going to be using this baby here today. We're doing some street photography and POV with the Canon M50 Mark II. It is a great camera. We're going to be using the 15 to 45mm lens, which is great for buildings. And we can get our first shots here in the cafe. I'm heading towards the old town today. Check it out you guys, here's our first victim. Let's get rid of that cookie because it looks tacky. So with this camera, I wanted to show you guys some street photography and also some portraits as well. We'll find some people on the way looking stylish. But I really love the lens for this camera for street because you can get some super wide angles. The lighting this evening, well not this evening, the lighting this afternoon is super nice. So this is the one thing I love about Warsaw. They have an obsession with glass here, so a lot of the cafes and restaurants are built like this in all glass. I love this building here. You guys, I just remembered to take it off the rope because I know I'm going to get home and edit and someone's going to be in the comments like, Brad, you didn't take this string off, it's in the way, what are you doing? So no complaining today guys. You guys, I'm such a mad fan of this architecture in Poland. I love how everything is so square, like all of the windows, and behind the old town there are so many glass buildings. The contrast is just insane here. And people are super stylish. So I've just seen this window. This is really cool because you can see this old building in the background. Oh, this one over here, which is really nice in the reflection. And there's another window through there. So, well, let's go under the aircon. Maybe with a little more of the street. Have a look guys, here we are in the old town. Classic. Oh, this is cool. Okay, here it is. So this is the main square in Old Town. And what do you guys think? Do you like it or not? Because for me, it seems too perfect. So it looks beautiful, but for me, it's not really my style. I prefer those glass buildings and the old buildings like I showed you earlier that are a little bit broken down and a little bit rough. I love that style, but on the inside, it's like a palace. We're here, it's super touristic. And where are the good strangers at, guys? I want to find some mad looks. Oh, and they still celebrate Christmas. So this feels dope. I was here yesterday for the sunset and it looked insane. Oh, this would be insane for a light trail. Yes, got the tram. So let's wait for a tram to come in this direction. Come on, trammy. So, focus points, this building in the back, the tram, high shutter speed. Okay, set. Where are the people? Where are the people? Not here, you guys. Anyway, I'm going to a place now where there should be a bunch of people. After that, I'm going to film another video with the R and we're just going to do portraits. So if you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. We do a lot of photos of strangers. Right now we're doing a little trip around Europe. And also hit the like and drop me a comment and say hi. Let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know where you guys are from. I mean, it would be a good shot, but what is that yellow thing? And the light today is so good. I have been super lucky again with the lights and the sun this trip. For me, I'm like either snow, give me all you've got, or give me sun. No mediocre around here. Oh, that is a dope shot. So you guys can see already this camera is insane for buildings, wide angle shots. Oh, I love this. Okay guys, so you won't believe it, but I just had a look. So this wasn't in RAW, but the next pictures I'm gonna take in RAW. So this will be a good way for you guys anyway to see what the photos look like in JPEG. The good thing is for the portraits, we are gonna have them in RAW so we can see. So that is a very good point, guys, and a very good mistake that you guys don't need to make now because I've just made it. If you either usually when you hire a camera, you know to go through the settings anyway, but if you are borrowing a camera from a friend and you were not sure if they usually shoot in RAW or not, go through the settings and make sure. I was so lucky I haven't done any portraits yet. So now I understand why. Now I know why there weren't any portraits. Hey guys, przepraszam. I'm a YouTuber and I take photos of strangers when I like their look. If you guys would like a portrait, it's for free. Yeah.
And you publicate any these sites or
YouTube.
With me?
Yeah, with you guys, like portraits.
So, yeah. And this portrait is on YouTube?
Yeah, because I'm
on your channel?
Yeah, look, I can show you guys.
Ten pan chce zrobić z nami zdjęcie i opublikować gdzieś
I do like this.
Damy sobie, okay.
This was in Warsaw too. Yeah.
Okay, so...
Okay, it'll be worth it, guys, it'll be worth it. Oh yeah, let's stand here. Maybe a little bit more this way? Away from the car? Yeah. Okay, together, serious face, yeah? Awesome. Do you want me to send them?
Send him to you?
Send.
Sign. Wysłać. Send?
Yeah, like
send to me?
Yeah.
Okay. We don't have Instagram.
Okay.
We don't have any social media. We don't have any Facebook, any social media. We don't have.
Przepraszam. Guys, I'm not selling anything. I take photos of strangers. No?
Thank you.
Vale.
You have work for this?
No, yeah, photograph. Girls. Do you guys speak Russian or Spanish, Polish?
Polish, Russian, Ukrainian, English.
Okay.
It's fine English.
Okay,
English
so,
fine.
well, I'm a YouTuber and I take photos of strangers when I like their look. So if you guys want a portrait, it's for free. It's just for YouTube. I'm recording and yeah, I can show you if you want.
You will send it at all?
Yeah, I can.
Smile, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because you look good today.
Yeah,
always look good.
I love that outfit. It looks really
No,
cool.
but I like you look today.
I'm very modest.
Where are you guys from?
From Ukraine.
Oh yeah, is your family and stuff okay?
Yeah, but my family
No, our
escaped
family
here.
here.
Oh, okay.
My family escaped here.
Let's do this, guys.
Nice
Yes.
photo for her.
Of course.
With nice view.
Yeah, so stand here in the middle of the street. In the street, I like it. Aha, awesome. So stay there and смотри туда. Yeah, there. Stay there, stay there. Class, sтой. Aha, в камеру. Yes, give me a serious look. Give me that Ukrainian look. Yes, that's what we need. Yeah. Yes, and the bag here in the front. I like the bag too. Yeah. Aha, love it. Stay there. Could you hold the bag and maybe do the pose like this? Yes, yes, yes. Yes, that's really nice there. Can we try one right in the middle of the road?
If I don't get hit by the car,
We won't get hit today, guys. We won't get hit.
not today.
Not today. Yes. Love it. Ага, вот там. Okay, so очень приятно. Yes, guys, of course. Have a good one. Bye. Thank you. Bye.